If you wanna make money fast online in 2019, then stay tuned to this video because I'm gonna show you that's how to make money online fast and easy in 2019 just by using this method. What's up, guys? My name is Philemon Shepherd. I'm a 16-year-old entrepreneur who lives in a beautiful country in Africa called Namibia, guys. And in today's video, guys, I'm gonna be teaching you on how to make money online using this one method. So this one method is called copy and pasting ads. So what do I mean by that, basically, right? So uh here is your product, for example, right? So here is your product, right? The picture of the product, right? And then you take this thing, this picture, to a place where there's buyers or there's potential buyers. So this is like an event or a place where there's potential buyers. Now you don't do this, you don't go to a real event, you do it online because now everything is digital, right? So that's basically it. So let me show you what I mean by that, right? So tell you what I mean by that, right? Right. So let me just show you. Right. So you go to this platform called ClickBank, right? If you don't know what ClickBank, go check out in my videos. This in my channel. There's more videos about ClickBank. I even made a playlist about ClickBank if you wanna start ClickBank, on how to start it, how to set up your account and everything like that. So you can go back onto my channel. Right, so you go to ClickBank, right? You go to Marketplace here. If you set up everything, right? You go to Marketplace, and then sorry, right? And then you basically set up. You basically look for a product in whatever niche you want, right? If you want in the make money online niche, so in this case, let's do it in the make money online niche. So we'll go in the make money online. Yeah, e-marketing and e-business and e-marketing, right? So that's the make money online niche. So right, so this is like the top products, right? So for this, I don't really wanna go for the top product, right? Because if you go for the top product, it's not gonna be as effective because most of the people know it, right? So I wanna go to a product that's on the first page, which means it's trending, but at the same time it's not on top. So let me see. Let me use this one, right? So if you wanna look at the product, here it is. I think it's called AppCoiner, right? Get paid to test apps, right? So it's basically an app about, I think, getting paid to test apps. So this is the thing. This is where you send the person to go sign up, right? So not that bad, right? Not that bad. They have an email list also. Yep. Uh-huh. Right. So what you wanna do for this, right? You wanna go to the affiliate page, what they offer for affiliates, as for us affiliates to promote it, right? So this is the affiliate page, right? So and what you wanna do basically, so this is your home team if you wanna promote it. So this is where you wanna copy this link some. But as for now, let's go to their banners, right? So let's go to their banners, to their pictures, right? So you look at their pictures. Which one is nice? Which one is nice, right? Let me try to find a better picture. First, choose an write a review, right? Get paid, right? I like this one. I like this one. So I will download this banner, right? So save image as, right? Just give me a minute. So AppCoiner. Let's just say AppCoiner. If that's even correct. And so I'm just gonna say AppCoiner, right? So while you choose multiple images, you choose multiple images, the one that you like. For now, I'm just gonna choose one. I'm gonna choose another one later, and I'm gonna show you later an example, right? So I choose like this picture, right? Get this apps, right? So and then you wanna go to Facebook. If you don't know what Facebook is, you just need to get online. Honestly, I don't need to explain it, right? So you go to the search place and go to groups, right? So you wanna search for make money online, right? So make money online. Those are the groups you wanna go into, right? So as you can see, I have joined all these groups. So you wanna join groups that have a lot of people, right? Like 47,000, 59,000, 38,000. I mean all those groups, right? So this one is 89 like, right? So this is like a community, right? So those are the groups, right? So you can even search by groups, make money online, blah blah blah, 28,000, all those things, right? So I'm just gonna go to uh let me just go to let's just go to this one, make money online, right? Cause so these groups are basically, right. So people are here to basically tell each other, hey, you can make money online this way, and as you can see here, right, exclusive cost advertising opportunity, right? So exactly. So here, people who are saying $10 payment community paid daily, blah blah blah, and this person got 3 comments so far, right? And he only posted it 5 hours ago. So this group there is over 41,000 people, right? So what we wanna do is go to, let me say, over 10 groups, the same kind, like over 10 groups, and you wanna post the image that we, so it's even gonna post because it's yeah, anyway. Let me just search it. Appcoiner, APPP, right? So it's this one, right? So there's the image loading. So what you wanna do is basically write something about the image, right? So write something about the image and say, right, say, hey there, or just say something like stop scrolling for a sec, stop stop scrolling for a sec, right? So like, hey there, stop scrolling for a sec, and they'll be like, why must I stop scrolling, anything interesting, right? And then say, hey, wanna uh want want to to start off your 2019 in a great way, or let me say a nice way, or in a great way, a nice way, right? Want to start off your 2019 in a, okay, in a productive year, right? So am I, of course they'll be like, yeah, right? So am I, something like that. So just gotta be creative with this, right? So am I, right? So I something like I have already started with this method, right? So you don't wanna be also salesy at the same time. You don't wanna be not sales, right? So you gotta balance them. Just gotta know how to balance them, right? So you wanna say, hey, start off in the 2019 in a great way. I use this method, and they're gonna see the picture and something like that. So if you want, right, I'm I'm gonna reveal my secret of how I make something like make money online for the first, let's say, 100 comments, right? So you gotta say, you put like Harry, something like that, right? So we go look for emojis, right? So it's like Harry, just to make it interesting, right? So Harry before before times it runs out of something like that, right? So you wanna do this before the comments get full, right? Right. So and you wanna copy this if you want it, because you're gonna do this 10 more times, but I'm not gonna show you 10 more times. I'm just gonna show you this one time, and you wanna post it in this group, right? In this group, And then right, and then what you wanna do is wait, where's my comment? Right, so what you wanna do is it's coming up. I don't know why it's taking a back, right? So what you wanna do is when you comment this up, to every person that commented, or to you can either do this automated style, which costs money, or you can either do this the freestyle. But anyway, I wanna do this freestyle. And so you are gonna have this link. You're gonna direct talk to them a little bit, like, hey, this is how I do it, do it, do it. They'll be like, okay, interesting. Then you're gonna send them your link, your clickbait link. But your link is here, right? So you go here, Fcoin. You take this long link here. You go to Bitly and you make it short, right? You know the thing already, right? And if you don't know, look at other videos, right? So this is basically how to do it, right? I don't know why mine did not come up, or probably they approved before it comes up, right? So probably it needs to be approved before it comes up. I don't know why, right? But this is how you do it, guys. And you wanna do this 10 more times, 10 groups, but not at the same exact time, because what if the same person is in 8 of those groups? I'm gonna say, hey, I already saw this post to this other thing, but and you wanna use like the same text probably only like 2 times, and then you move on, right? And then you move on to and then you change it up a bit. Also change up the pictures a little bit. You go here, you got all these free pictures. Join them right in now, right? You can even go to products, right? So you can either download if you wanna be fancy and you have like some things like Photoshop or anything or something like I have Photoshop and Adobe. Right, so you go here, you download that computer thingy and you put in the Fcoin logo, you put it together there like somewhere here. And then you promote it. It's just the same thing, guys. So that is how you make money online in 2019, guys. So this is the easiest way I can go, guys. This is a free way. You don't have to pay for anything. You have to nothing you have to pay for here. So if you're wondering, Philemon, what's the free way on how to make money online with affiliate marketing? Hey, there you go, right? So and if you're saying like, and if you don't believe it, right? Like let's say this product, right? It's you get $22. Let's say, right? So let's say there's over 42,000 people, right? Over 42,000 people, and let's say from those 42,000, we minus like 99% of them, 99%. Right. So 42, so 42,500, 42,000 minus, okay, right? So maybe it's not the best, right? So 42,000 or 41,580. So right. So from 42,000 we minus 41,580, right? So that's just right. So I don't know what it's doing, right? But let me do this. 42 42,000 minus what does it again? 41,580. How much is left? Right, 400 people comment. Or let's say that, right? Obviously, you set a limit to 100, but if you can go more. So let's just say you made it. Let's just say 10 people commented, or let me say 20 because it's a lot of people. Right, so 20 people commented, and you times that by 22. Boom, you got 400 already, just from free method. And if you wanna even go more with this product, hey, we your choice. You gotta do it. I don't. I'm not the one to tell you which product. That's your part. So thank you guys for watching. My name is Philemon Shepherd. If you wanna learn this in more detail on actually how to do it, what type of text to do it, like what type of text to put out on Facebook, what type of things to do, all that, and actually extra more info on how to do it, where to find the best product, how to find it, how to make sure it's gonna your link is gonna post everything. So click the second link in the description. That will take you to my number one uh recommendation on how I make money online, what it taught me, and it's gonna teach you the same and probably even more, right? So that's the second link in the description. Or You can either check out my number one link if you want to take it a little bit slower, and get my free affiliate marketing ebook. I give it away for free. Just put in your email and I will send you the ebook, right? So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you are new, and if you have enjoyed this video, right? Like this video, it really helps us the video, right? So thank you guys for watching. My name is Philemon Shiepo, and see you in the next video. Peace.